If you notice the threads, if you read through the lines, they've twisted the morals, they've poisoned our minds. They whisper their lies with a smile on their face, tell you to stare with unseeing eyes and say, stay in your cage or a monster you'll be. Obey what we tell you, don't dare disbelieve. Don't look past the shadows we cast on the wall. Stay chained in the cave, for our world is the all. Poverty holy, obedience praised. You're molded by traumas through which you were raised. Sacrifice and worshipped, your hours turn black. All glory and suffering, time you won't get back. Look at the labels, false identities. You're not what you're told. They don't want you to see. The world isn't simple, but for those pulling strings, they hide behind curtains like shadow-born kings. Do not dream, do not ask, do not think differently. We'll train all your children in those conformity. You are assets and products, so we dictate your role. A sum of your labor, a price on your soul. We'll chew through your value, then shove you away. A cog in the system, no voice left to say. We'll poison your water, your body, your food. Life and death auction for profit and feed. The disease, you'll beg us for mercy for your basic needs. We'll drown you in noise so your spirit can't hear, and toss you aside at the end of your years. Look at the labels, false identities. You're not what you're told. They don't want you to see. Stay chained in the cave.